Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So if you are new here, I would like to ask you for a small favor. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to support my math content. Your help will allow me to reach 1000 subscribers and improve the quality of my videos. Thank you very much. So the question in here is asking us to find the inverse of f at 3 plus the inverse of f at 15. And the fx is x plus 2 times root x. So we need to find the inverse of fx at first. What is it? So the fx is equal to x plus 2 times root x. It means that the y is equal to x plus 2 times root x. So again, for the inverse questions, we need to find, so what we have is y equals a function of x. What we need to find is x equals a function of y. So these two should be replaced. Okay, so what we have is y minus x equals 2 root x. What I have to do is to apply a power of 2 to the both hand side of the equality. So it would be y minus x to the power of 2 equals 2 root x times 2 root x would be 4x. So this part would be y to the power of 2 plus negative x to the power of 2 minus 2xy equals 4x. How? Based on this formula. Right? So this is y to the power of 2, negative x to the power of 2 is positive, x to the power of 2 minus 2xy equals 4x. So I'm going to move all the x's and y's to one side. So it would be x to the power of 2 plus x times negative 2y plus 4. How? I moved it to here. This will be changed to negative 4x. Then it would be x times negative 2y minus 4 based on these two, right? This is negative 4, sorry. Plus y to the power of 2 equals 0. So you know how we find the roots or the answers for this equality, right? How should we find the roots of x? X would be equal to negative b plus minus root b to the power of 2 minus 4a times c over 2a. So in this question, the a, or in our question, the a is 1, the b is this part, negative 2y minus 4, and the c is y to the power of 2. Okay, so let's see what would be the answers for x. X would be equal to negative b, or 2y plus 4, plus minus root b to the power of 2, or negative 2y minus 4 to the power of 2, minus 4 times a, or 1, times c, or y to the power of 2, over 2a, or 2 times 1, or 2. Then the x would be equal to 2y plus 4 plus minus root. Whatever comes out of power of 2 would be positive, right? So it would be 4y to the power of 2 plus 4 to the power of 2, or 16, plus 2y times 4 times 2, or 16y, minus 4y to the power of 2 over 2. So the 4y2's would cancel out each other. So the x would be equal to 2 times y plus 2 plus minus root 16 times y plus 1 over 2. So x would be equal to 2 times y plus 2 plus minus. The 16 can come out of the root. It would be 4 times y plus 1 over 2. So the 2's would be cancelled out. So the x would be equal to y plus 2 plus minus 2 times root y plus 1. So it means that the inverse of f at x is equal to x plus 2 plus minus 2 times x plus 1. This is the procedure that we do to find the inverse of f. We find the x as a function of y, then we replace the x as for the y. So it would be x plus 2 plus minus 2 times root x plus 1. So the question was asking us for finding this. What is the answer for that? So first off, let's find the inverse of f at 3. It would be, I should replace the x as for at the 3 as for the x. So it would be 3 plus 2 plus minus 2 times root 3 plus 1 or 4. Root 4 is 2, so it is 5 plus minus 2 times 2, or it would be 5 plus minus 4, or 2 answers. 5 plus 4 is 9, 5 minus 4 is 1. These are the answers for the inverse of f at 3. What about the inverse of f at 15? It would be equal to x plus 2 or 15 plus 2, which is 17, plus minus 2 times 15 plus 1 or 16. Root 16 is 4, so the answer is 17 plus minus 2 times 4 or 8. So we are going to have two answers again. 17 plus 8 is 25. And 17 minus 8 is 9. So the answer for the inverse of f at 3 plus the inverse of f at 15 would be two answers. One is 9 plus 25 or 34, and the other one is 1 plus 9 or 10. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I would appreciate if you could push the subscribe button to actually help me to grow. Thank